No wonder it's coming out.
Yeah. I'll run out and grab real quick. Need a couple of chicken guys.
Why? Oh, why? And how are you going to get her back? Jog it?
He's going to have to jog it up.
I can do that. Where's... Do I got to flip the power back on over there? Or what is that switch?
I think
that's for the old.
There's a button down there.
Yeah. I can't remember. I think it's on that far wall. Remember.
I see one right here by this screen.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. All right. All right, you good?
Yeah.
I can see it lighting up back there. More? Yep. Coming up. Good. You want it there or bring it forward or?
It might automatically close on its head, but I don't know, but it's fine. It can be there.
So here's a conundrum. You know, this is one of those situations we have to do this on the weekend. And so what originally kind of happened to this door was the top panel somehow got destroyed. And I'm sure it just didn't happen overnight. It was just a slow roll process and it finally collapsed. So I talked to Cap a little bit about this. I told him, I said, if it was me, I said, I wouldn't touch it. I said, we have to wait till the top panel comes in because he was telling me how bad it was. And so the customer, you know, they got maintenance people, they got electricians, they got all these wonderful, fine people. And, you know, they put this door back together pretty well. I mean, with the strut and everything, all things considered, the plate, they did a fine job, honestly. But it's one of those situations where sometimes in commercial, you have to draw the line because if we can't get in here during the weekday, and let's say we did do this, patch this thing up, right? You gotta trust this thing not to fail, and for them to call you when you're on another job, have an emergency, and you know, it's just sometimes not worth it. So, you know, I think a remedy is for them to have another section on hand, somewhere stashed, and you know, that's a possibility. Or obviously, we need to do preventative maintenance, and you know, every 6 months, every year, we're checking on it, making sure this thing doesn't have problems, because this is a high-use door. What you don't see is actually on the other side of that door right now, there's a huge freezer. It's almost like a how do I explain it? It's like a 10-story building in there that hopefully we'll see I'll save a little bit of video possibly on it, but it's trying to keep out the cold air. It's a freezer on the other side of this, and then in here is where they I don't know if they put skids together, how they exactly do their process, but that's what we run into. So I wanted to mention this again. There's a wall right here. We actually have the top section out right now, but this is just a dummy filler, right? We need that top section to roll like a regular garage door for us. So right now you're seeing the wall because we had to bring the track up higher because we got this big blower that is right behind me here. So that's why you're seeing a wall. So I hope that kind of makes sense for some of you new guys. This was the best idea I came up with. I thought I had this thing licked. I thought we wouldn't see this thing for another 10, 20 years, but well, something's going on still. So maybe sections without such big struts, maybe a heavier duty door without the struts, so when those pallets come up to it, maybe it would not get caught on it or something. We did try doing some different, you know, photo eyes, and I did have a safety on it at one point, but it just, unfortunately, somehow this thing just keeps getting beat up. What is up with that? How does that even happen?
It came out the same bag. Like, it came out the same bag. Didn't happen.
How's that even happen?
Wayne Dalton's thinking.
After these messages, we'll be right back.